The Educas WJEC specification asks us to consider Aquinas' 5 primary precepts and his secondary precepts, as well as the importance of keeping these to establish a right relationship with God and gain eternal life. Aquinas used recta ratio, or right reason, to establish that there are 5 good actions, or primary precepts, that are absolute, unchanging, and govern all moral behaviour. These precepts are: preserve life, order society, worship God, educate, and reproduce. These 5 precepts are fundamental and are good because they lead us towards the main telos, or purpose, that God created humanity for. That is, to do good and avoid evil, to achieve fellowship with God. Other actions that we perform are in the name of achieving these 5 goods or precepts. Reason tells us that all other action is secondary to achieving these aims or goals, and any action that helps us to perform these aims is a good action that will lead us towards fellowship with God. Primary precepts like preserve life are universally good. However, secondary precepts can be derived from these that are not universal, as they are established based on circumstance. Secondary precepts are arrived at through reason and enable humans to establish more specific rules that are adapted to the human situation or the society in which a person finds themselves. This does not mean that we can break the rules if it suits us. It means that there are some situations that one person finds themselves in that another would not. A secondary precept is the rule that adheres to a primary precept, but that which accounts for moral behaviour in the peculiar situation. For example, Aquinas was a medieval scholar who would not have established secondary precepts that describe what to do about embryology, cyberbullying, or nuclear arms. However, the primary precepts can be understood in such a way that whilst they cannot be broken, they can be applied to the special situation that a person encounters.